find the y-intercept of the line whose equation is 3 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 5y. So for us to obtain the y-intercept, all we need to do is just rewrite this equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So let us do that. So the equation that we have is 3 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 5y. So we just open up this bracket so that we have 6x minus 3 is equal to 5y, which we can write as 5y is equal to 6x minus 3. So we can divide both sides by 5 so that we have the equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c as 6 over 5x minus 3 over 5. But remember, from the standard form, that is y is equal to mx plus c, m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So it therefore means that in our equation, the y-intercept is the same as negative 3 over 5.